Hey Grace fam, welcome back to Crafts with Kids. I'm Samantha and I volunteer with the 4th and 5th graders and I'm on the leadership with MOPS. This is
Faith. My name is Madison.
We're going to show you how to do a salt dough craft.
This is what they look like when they're done. And today we are going to be doing a heart.
So to make the salt dough, what you'll need is a mixing bowl, a spoon of any size. You'll need a measuring cup,
Water.
1 cup of salt and 1 cup of flour, and then a half a cup of water. And then after you cut it out, you will need some paint and some brushes and some water and rolling pins.
So let's get started.
So you start off with putting your 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of salt into your mixing bowl. And then you will need a half a cup of water, and Sadie is going to help us with that. Just put it inside your bowl and then you mix it until it is all mixed together. It'll start to get really firm when it comes together, and you just keep on mixing until all of the salt and the flour are incorporated with the water. Almost a crumbly consistency, but not quite. Kind of like cookie dough comes together. For the next part, you're going to move your bowl out of the way and you're going to roll your dough out with a rolling pin.
Dough all rolled out, we are going to cut out with a cookie cutter.
During the after. So then after you have your cookies or your salt dough cut out, you're going to pick which paint you want, and then you'll just need some paint and some paint brushes and then something to paint on. And you'll put your salt dough on your plate and then you'll pour some paint on your plate. So now that we're done painting our crafts, we put them in the oven at 200 degrees for 3 hours, and then you'll know that they are done when they are no longer soft. And these are what they look like. And the girls did an awesome job. Well, Grace fam, it's been fun doing the salt dough crafts with you. If you do any, go ahead and tag us on social media at Grace Kids Houston, and we love to see what you've created. And join us back here every Tuesday for a new craft. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
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 I thought was that one. It need my.
Who are you guys going to give your hearts to?
Daddy. I have a special one for somebody secret.
Mm.